Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. Hope you all are doing well. Quick reminder, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and press bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new video. So let's begin with the video. So it's evening time. After resting for a while in afternoon, I had tea and before starting cooking, first thing I do prayer. It's always satisfying to follow our rituals which passed to us by our elders. After prayer, just heading towards kitchen. It's already 6 pm. We usually have dinner at 7 pm. Here taking out vegetable from the fridge. Today I forgot to take out vegetable after lunch, but it's okay. कभी कभी चलता है. Today's menu very simple, one pot dish as we had heavy lunch, so decided to make barnyard millet with ivy gourd. Here I have taken barnyard millet 1.5 cup, washed it and soaked. First time chopping ivy gourds in small pieces. Now preparing masala in a mixie jar. I have taken few garlic pods, green chilies, coriander, adding cinnamon stick, few cloves, black pepper, dry coconut 2 spoon, adding some water and I'll make paste. Paste is ready. Now let's prepare rice. In iron kadhai or pan, adding some oil, once oil heated, adding some cumin seeds, now adding ivy gourd, saute well, cover and cook. By the time I will try to finish some work like keeping vegetable back in fridge, etc. After 3 to 4 minutes ivy gourd is cooked. So I'll add masala now. Need to saute masala well until raw smell should go. Cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, now I am adding barnyard millet. Saute barnyard millet with vegetables. Now add water. Here I am just rinsing mixie jar to avoid wastage of masala. Now add sufficient water and then cover and cook. Until millet is cooking, I am just trying to finish cleaning work. First, I am arranging utensils which are cleaned in the afternoon. In between, I am checking millet. Adding some more water and allow to cook. Again back to cleaning. And here food is ready. It took around 35 minutes to cook dinner, so I was having half an hour more before dinner, so trying to finish all my cleaning work. Finished vessels, now cleaning kitchen countertop. Usually I try to do cleaning as much as possible when I get time. Here you can see I am cleaning fridge door handles, microwave. Also I am cleaning cabinet door handles. It really helps to keep home clean without much efforts, and also no need to do frequent deep cleaning. Now I am taking out food in serving bowl, and the vessel I used is iron vessel, so it need to cool down. We cannot wash immediately. So by the time we have dinner, it will cool down, and then I can wash and grease it with iron and keep. Now roasting some papad to have with millets. It's almost 7 p.m. so I called everyone to have dinner. So kids and husband helping me. It is now routine to kids to help me to arrange dining table or to keep vessels in dishwasher or whatever the small things they help me. So this is our dinner, barnyard millet with ivy gourd. It's really tasty. You just give it try. My kids, they liked it. After dinner we planned to go out. One of my friend returned from India and I wanted to collect few things from her, and here social gathering is not yet allowed, restrictions are there, so I'll just say hi hello and I'll get my things. But kids demanded to go to park before that, so we thought to visit small park which was on the way. This is heritage site, now converted to beautiful restaurant. Just back of it there is a very small park called Mughlina Unit Park. Weather was good, so enjoyed being in park. Nowadays kids are always in front of screen as online school, but can't help it. It's been 1 year now, visited India, not met family, but trying to keep positive and calm. Nature is best solution. And now weather is good, so we can enjoy outside. Once summer start, we have to be inside. Park is quite small, but still kids enjoy. As I said earlier, it is heritage building, Al Khulaifi Heritage House. It was built in 1925. Now this house is converted to restaurant. After spending 40 to 45 minutes, now we are going to my friend's house. But before that, we are buying fruits and vegetables. Sometimes we find such van where fruits and vegetables are kept for sale directly from the farm. So we get very fresh fruits and vegetables. After that, I just collected things from friend and we returned home. Here you can see these things received from my friend made me nostalgic. It's not like we don't get Indian stuff here, but since pandemic it's different. I hope many of you can relate to this. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Until next time. See you.